The client received recommendations from your AI form, but still has questions. The form goes silent and the context is lost. The client leaves. Sound familiar? But what if the AI remembered everything and continued the conversation like a live consultant? To solve this task, we use the AIWU AI Copilot plugin, which offers a rich set of tools for integrating WordPress and artificial intelligence. You can download it at AIWPlugin.com. The link is in the description below. Last time, we created a script that passes user information to AIWU forms. In this video, I'm excited to present a script that transforms one-time forms into an intelligent dialogue with memory. No N8N, Zapier, or subscriptions to other automation tools. Everything runs inside WordPress using AIWU's built-in capabilities. Now I'll show you how it works under the hood. We'll continue using the fitness club example. Recall that with the first script, we inject the client's information, such as their current workout program, starting weight, and goals. The script pulls this data from the user's ACF profile fields and automatically populates it into the last field of the form. The AI sees the full picture: who this person is, where they started, and where they are now. The form provided a recommendation. Great, but what's next? The client wants to clarify, what if I increase my cardio? Or can I swap this exercise? A regular form can't continue the conversation. The AI doesn't remember what it just said. Every new query means starting from scratch. The business loses engagement, and the client gets an incomplete consultation. Our script should be added to the functions.php file or via the code snippets plugin. Just a few lines of code, but they do magic. When the form is submitted, the script intercepts the AI's response and checks, are there recommendations in it? If the AI responds, a continue conversation button appears. It's styled, responsive, and visually appealing. When the button is clicked, the script gathers the full context. Form data, what the user just entered, weight, well-being, comments. User profile, their initial program and history from our previous script. AI's response, the complete recommendations the AI just provided. All of this is formatted into a structured text block and placed into a hidden container on the page. Next, the script uses AIWU's built-in data-aware mechanism. This is a native AIWU feature. You specify a CSS selector, and the chatbot reads the text from that element before sending its first message. We update data-aware, and the chatbot knows exactly where to get the context. Now about prompts, the heart of the entire system. The form's prompt must generate an initial consultation. Use labels to access field data. Fitness example. Compare the starting weight from the program with the current weight from the form. Provide recommendations based on the client's progress. The form becomes smart. It sees where the client started and where they are now. The chatbot prompt. This is where the context magic happens. You must include the content selector in the prompt text. Without it, the context won't be passed through. AIWU replaces the content selector with the entire collected context. The AI gets the full picture and continues the conversation like a live consultant who remembers everything. Setup is straightforward. At the top of the script is a configuration block. Chatbot ID, specify your chatbot's ID. Button text, set the button label. Change just a few lines and you can adapt it to any industry: healthcare, law, finance, education. Add the chatbot shortcode to the page with your form, and that's it. No APIs, webhooks, or external services. Let's test it in action. I'm logged in as a user with a profile. I fill out the form, current weight 57 kg, initial 75, well-being tired, and send it. AI analyzes. Weight has dropped from 75 to 57 kilograms since the start of the program. A button appears at the bottom. I click it. The chatbot opens. Let's greet the consultant. Look at the AI's response. It already knows everything: the starting weight, current progress, previous recommendation, and current well-being. This is no longer just a form. It's a personal consultant. We can ask any questions and get answers tailored specifically to our progress. So, instead of static calculators, we now have a dynamic coach that remembers the user's history, analyzes progress, and adjusts the program through conversation, all without extra costs or expensive specialists.
Why is the solution better than assistant builders or custom APIs? Assistant builders require complex setup, rely on external services, often have paid tiers, and suffer from webhook delays. Custom APIs demand expensive developers, dedicated hosting, and ongoing maintenance. Our solution runs entirely inside WordPress, leverages the native capabilities of the AI Copilot plugin, installs in 5 minutes, and gives you full control over your data. We've included the script code and documentation in the video description below. Subscribe to the channel. We're building AI tools for business without complex tech. Like this video if you'd like more AIWU integrations. Comment below with your industry. We'll build a solution for it in upcoming episodes.